Welcome back to the channel. If you're watching this, chances are you're looking for a hosting or coupon code before making your hosting purchase. And honestly, that's a smart move. Now, you've probably already come across a 10% discount code somewhere on the internet. And while that's better than nothing, why stop there when you can actually save 20%? That's exactly what I'm going to show you today. I've got an exclusive coupon link that automatically applies a full 20% discount at checkout. No copying and pasting codes, no confusion. The best part is that it works for all countries in your local currency and language, so no matter where you're watching from, this deal is for you. Here's what you need to do. Simply use the link I've provided and it will take you straight to Hostinger's official website. Once you're there, click on products and services in the navigation bar. You'll see all their hosting options laid out: cloud hosting, web hosting, website builder, and Hostinger business email. For this video, I'm going to walk you through the VPS hosting plan. Specifically, inside VPS hosting, you'll find several tiers: KVM1, KVM2, KVM4, and KVM8. I'll be selecting the KVM2 plan for this demonstration, and just like that, the 20% discount is automatically applied right at the checkout page. No extra steps needed. One quick tip before you go: always try signing up with a fresh email address that hasn't been registered with Hostinger before, as the deal tends to work best for new accounts. If this helped you out, drop a like on the video and hit subscribe. It really does support the channel. See you in the next one.